a bit excited this morning because I'm heading out to go and do something very different. So when you guys see me, you're gonna be seeing a new Liz. So I just hope it gonna fit me. Wish me luck, guys. Wish me luck. Predicament. I don't know where I'm going, and I went on IG a while ago and the address is not in the bio. What am I going to do, guys? What am I going to do? What is this? Somebody play the Nomad song for me, please.
What is this? What is?
Alright, so I got the address from the stylist. Whoa, that was a close call.
A few moments later.
I'm here, guys. So, armor on, and I'm heading inside for my transformation.
A few moments later.
Who this, guys? Who this? It's your girl, Liz. Guys. Yeah, your girl is here and I'm loving my look. Oh my god. Who put that there so? As I'm afraid it out there. Anyways, guys, I'm about to go home to show Romain the new hair. I hope he likes it. Big thanks and big up to Hair by Tess for sorting me out. Show you the rest when I get home, okay?
You look so beautiful.
After you see me.
I will be looking.
You like it?
I love it, man.
Okay.
You honestly?
I was calling you to tell you
like
to...
a college student. Like I just start college.
Why? I'm gonna call if you tell you if you go in a room. So we can just go around.
I'm surprised.
Yeah.
Oh, it fits you, man. Today the girls are gonna get to see their Auntie Des and Uncle Alton for the very first time. Also, I'm supposed to pick up something from them, something I can't wait to just have in my possession and to share with you guys as well. So, are you ready? Road trip. Let's go. I don't know, but for some reason I just feel like the girls are outgrowing this car seat so fast, yo. I predict that them foot are gonna hang off and touch the ground today. Oh, let's see. So, I was wrong. I'm sorry. Your legs are still short. Are you excited? You excited to hit the road? Can't see that. All my 3 babies are ready to go.
I am not a baby.
You're ready. Let's go.
What's up, VIRGONATION? I'm on the road. I'm on the road. I'm on the road with Raina and Emma and Romain. Now we're heading out of town. Well, we're trying to head out of town to go and meet up with our dear friends Demone and Alton. Demone is their auntie that they're about to meet for the first time. Well, auntie and uncle still, but one of their godmothers. She legit turned into a barrel godmother because she want to buy the world for them, but they've never met. So me have to burn her out real bad this time, and we make the extra effort to make sure I say they not turn 2 and she not meet them. So I'm really looking forward to seeing her because the last time I saw her was when she flew from New York to come to Florida to have, well, to take me to IOP. She flew in for the day when I was pregnant. I think it was a week before I gave birth. She flew in to spend some time with us for a day. She flew in the morning and she went back home the afternoon. Isn't that sweet? And trust me, she don't even realize what that did for my day that time, because I was heavily pregnant and Carly said me did just feel heavy. Yeah, she one of them careful, over careful friend there. You know, long she fi comes to them, but because she say, oh no, COVID, and me travel, no, me no, I'm afraid Liz. But it's happening today. See you soon, them on. This traffic though, you know what would be great, like standstill traffic, over an hour standstill traffic. Everybody's trying to get in and get out. Everybody try get stuff. It's rough. Like me really don't want to dwell on it, but it's horrible.
I just want to say this is madness.
This is ridiculous.
Madness.
Man. Guys, there's another thing that I just saw pop up in my feed that I want to address. This is a rant. This is a rant.
Hey!
VIRGONATION and MTM family, I want to ask you guys to help me to call out Romain Virgo, Tammy Chin Mitchell, Wayne Mitchell. Guys, I want to help me burn them out, because how can you have a MTM and Virgo Nation link up without Liz and the girls and the Mitchell boys? Like, what is that?
Yeah.
What's up with that?
Your fault. You're to be blamed.
Was Momo there?
No, Momo never did that. Momo never did that. Alex. No, just me and Wayne and Tommy talk.
Okay, is an artist link up and a VIRGONATION and MTM link up. A singers link up, right? Guys, I was a talk up for Romain, you know, someone want to talk up for me, you know. Like, how can there be a MTM family and Virgo family link up and I'm at the hairdresser? How can I think that?
Nobody never said they're gonna do hair. You
no,
should be
but
here.
oh God, you could you know think did any of the three of you suggest video calling me?
You mean in the same time?
Yeah, like did Tammy or Wayne or you think of adding me to the call? Like
no, but through them here, so you're gonna hear them and say, you know what? Make she stay there. We will go and build a vibe here.
Everybody knows I'm MTM first cousin, right?
Liz Bex. Oh God.
Everybody knows I'm MTM first cousin, right? And if you know say link up go on. And not even Tammy no say no Wayne, no Romain. Liz isn't here, so I could put it off for another day. What kind of thing that?
No, but you know what? Let's look at it this way. Everything happened for a beautiful reason. And you see the next link up, that should be a live link up. You know what I mean? So you're gonna see them in person.
Like in person?
Yeah.
But Romain to how the pandemic are going to win that
it can happen soon, man.
All the way I say, me still a rant. This is a rant, guys. Tammy, Wayne, Romain, on need to put in a one time out corner for not including me in the link up. But me still a big enough, you know, even though I don't know about you, Romain, Tammy, and Wayne. Me a pro, no. But big up on yourself. Big up on yourself.
What a good vibe, man.
A few moments later.
Romain, do you want to say anything on behalf of Wayne and Tammy to me? Do you want to say anything?
Alright, listen, we kind of apologize.
Kind of apologize.
You know, and you know what? Next time, when we get to link up at some point in real life, it will be joyful.
Should I take the apology?
It will be beautiful.
I believe such a beautiful and joyful, but you know? Come on, one feeling up without me, how can I think that?
Next time.
I'm looking forward though, guys. Don't make it happen again. No, come on, man. I'll learn to sing. If that is the problem, we're gonna learn to sing. Girls, look at it. Can't hang number 1, can't hang number 2. Oh, babies are sleeping. Look at them in their hot girl Crocs, courtesy of Auntie Des.
A few moments later.
So right now we're at the toll. The last time we tried to drive to the toll, the lady over the intercom sound like she catch a cold or something.
And I pre-recorded something I thought about Rubian. Never.
Yeah, man, so let's see if she get better by now.
Please press the button to take the card. Please press the button to take the card.
The lady is still a chip out.
Them if you add battery or something to the something, after that. Jamaica pretty, you know, anytime I touch a highway, I say, wow, it's so pretty here.
You could live here.
I could live here.
A few moments later.
This is the land of my birth. This is the land of my birth. So this is Jamaica, my Jamaica, the land of my birth.
You can't say Jamaica.
Jamaica.
You say, my Jamaica. Man never say no, my Jamaica.
My Jamaica, the land of my birth. My Jamaica. I cannot believe that the girls are sleeping out the road trip.
As usual.
Emma, is this why they left home? To sleep?
You just say you can't believe they must sleep again.
I train a book. Push back our head. It would have been nice if we never just head home after. Without clothes? No. We don't have no underwear. I should take underwear that can't fit me.
So we're at the end of the tour now. After a long drive, let us sing out. Oh, this is the land of my bird and not the land of my birth.
I know that alone me that sing.
And this is Jamaica, my Jamaica.
That's not the only song I was singing.
Which other song you did sing?
Here's a song from the Self-Trust Rhythm. They got good production. You know what you're missing?
A big tour, yeah.
You guys know what you're missing 140? Romanian song is called Pop. Point of view.
Thank you.
Stop laughing at me. The one thing you get to laugh at me.
No.
POV, point of view.
Listen to me song in Pov.
Pop.
So listen.
Point of view. What? When you laugh after you laugh after them too. Or laugh with them.
It's on piece the artwork, the cover for the song. They write P-O-V.
And also P right, and also O right, and also V right. You can't write. Right?
O-V.
Okay.
Right? Right?
Oh, me make me dream what me want.
Which is the shot. Well, you know what I laugh after you. Which is the shot in the point of view. This ceremony song named Pov.
But me say point of view right after, so you don't really have no joke. Your joke stale. You miss your punchline.
Oh God.
Do what me want do. I might like when I'm singing I feel do what me want do.
A few moments later.
That wasn't such a bad drive, was it?
No. Let's go back on the highway.
Hey, Alton, we're like less than 2 minutes away.
We're 30 seconds away.
30 seconds away, I'm saying. Total? There's. Yeah, look forward to seeing me. I turn back. Alright. Simple.
I am supposed to pick up something from Auntie Des and Uncle Alton.
They're not your auntie and they're not your uncle.
They're the baby's auntie and uncle. Yeah, so what I'm about to pick up is actually a plaque. Alright, you know what, I don't talk. So wake now.
Funny.
I can't sleep now.
No man. What's so funny?
I wonder what there's on Uncle Alton.
I think of them not with us part over the time.
Where?
Okay, man.
Oh man, look at theirs.
Guys, a hot girl something. A hot girl something. My partner. Go park. Go park. Yes, pull the door, man. Brian, pull the door, that's not the foolishness. So, you know, how can I put it on? She finally meet her pretty them guys.
Oh my god.
Yes, I'm big.
Not sleep, man. We have a fuck. Ah.
Roman, don't video me. Let me cry.
So we're on our way back to Kingston. Was such a good trip. I have to say there's alternate for see the babies, trust me. As soon as we reach home, we're gonna do a little, I don't know if I can call it unboxing, because the box that it was in, they have to, you know, them have to take it out, you know, to carry it, because you know them things are kind of delicate and they can't just throw it in anything and bring it on the plane, you know. So, you know, we're gonna do a can we call it unveiling this?
A few moments later.
So, what do we have here?
So Virgo Nation, we're back home and I'm about to
Unwrap.
unwrap. That's the word. I was gonna say D-bag or handbag. I'm gonna take this plaque out of this wrapping and share with you guys so you can see what it looks like.
Yay! What is it? Let's see it. VIRGONATION, are you as anxious as I am? And woo! Looky here. What do we have here? What is this?
So, alright, so this is a plaque from Billboard and it says presented to Romain Virgo to commemorate the #1 position on the Billboard Reggae album chart for Romain Virgo, Lovesick, the week of April 14th, 2018. So, you know what I mean?
Congratulations, baby.
Thank you.
This is only the beginning of
Yeah.
many, okay?
Thank you.
I
Let's
wish
speak
you
it into being.
nothing less than success continually in all your endeavors,
Thank you.
because I see how hard you work.
Thank you. Nico, because you're well instrumental in the creation of Lovesick. You don't know, Vikings. You know, the Lovesick is actually Viking song. Donovan, Jeremy, and everybody who has been a part of the creation of Lovesick, the album, Big Up on Yourself. You know, this is actually my third album from BB Records. Have one last one to do with them. Are you ready, Virgo Nation?
If I'm last year, I'm ready.
Alright. Also, I want to big up Frenchie, you know, from Maximum Sounds. Trust me, really and truly appreciate everything, my brother. Big up Frenchie every time. Virgo Nation, all the main Virgo fans from day one. This is for us. You know, big up to the whole team, everybody who has been a part of my
Round of
career.
applause.
From day one, all producers, all musicians, everybody, all the supporters who have always supported my music. Nothing at all, you know, I don't take for granted. So what if I love every time? And we hope that we can get many more like these and get better as we go along. Feel like not talk too long now.
A few moments later.
Definitely have to big up, yeah.
Now big me up. Me don't want no sir for big up. It's okay though. Maybe me make the cut for the next album.
No, you're part of it.
No.
Big up Liz every time. You don't know what it love. Thank you for the love and the support through the years, baby. You know?
Sir.
We're gonna have many more like this to celebrate, alright?
Sorry for big up there, guys. Congrats, man.
We're not gonna put this now. Where?
We find a space.
Alright, I'll find somewhere to put it.
On that note, Virgo Nation, we'd like to thank you so much for watching another video, and we encourage you to subscribe, to share, to like our videos, and to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. See you next time.